The Jaffna Magistrates Court today issued an order preventing protests and demonstrations of any kind from taking place within the Jaffna district. This order was issued to control the situation that had arisen over the rape and murder of a school student from Punkudithivu, Jaffna on the 20th.
Several protests and hartal campaigns are being staged condemning the murder of the schoolgirl in Punkudithivu. Police media spokesperson ASP Ruan Gunasekara said that every possible legal procedure has been taken with regards to this matter. A protest march condemning the incident in Jaffna was all set to be held at the Mutraveli grounds in Trincomalee. However, the police had said that authorization could only be granted to stage a peaceful protest within the compounds of the Mutraveli grounds instead of the protest march. The protesters obliged. Although few of the demonstrators attempted to hand over a letter to the governor, it was eventually accepted by the chairperson of the Eastern Provincial Council, Aryavati Galapatti. Meanwhile, a demonstration was staged in Siduwa protesting against the harassment of women and children in the area.
As the maximum penalty for rapists, we suggest that they be hanged. Today we got onto the streets to send a message to the society and the government for them to intervene in this matter.
Addressing a media briefing today, State Minister of Children's Affairs Rosie Senanayake said that her ministry has taken several measures over this matter.
We have made necessary arrangements to table the National Child Protection Act in Parliament over the next 2 to 3 days. We are in progress of submitting a proposal to the Inspector General of Police following discussions with the Prime Minister, where a special police unit will be established to look into women and children's matters. It is quite fair that the people are voicing their protest. But if some people are trying to benefit politically through this from the south, then I condemn that.
Meanwhile, issuing a communique, Minister of Resettlement DM Swaminathan said that a legal framework to ensure the security in Jaffna must be established. The minister points out that the suspects in connection to the rape and murder of the schoolgirl in Punkudithivu, as well as the suspects who acted violently in court premises, must be brought before the law. Minister DM Swaminathan goes on to say that the public should cooperate with security units. Speaking to reporters during a visit to Jaffna yesterday, national organizer of the Sri Lanka Freedom Party, Susil Premajayantha, also commented on the matter.
We are deeply concerned about the incident taken place a few days ago in Jaffna Peninsula, the death of a teenager girl. As a party, we offer our deepest sympathies to the family members of victim, and then we don't think the repetition of such incident will take place not only in Jaffna but the whole island. So then it is the duty of the lawmaking organization to take all the culprits into the books and take legal action for all the suspects.
Responding to questions posed by journalists, MP Susil Premajayantha had this to say.
Will there be a situation, repercussions in the south? Will they see this
no,
as
definitely no, because I know that people have suffered enough for more than 30 years. So I think all the people, all the citizens of Sri Lanka, I think they realize actually what happened here. And once the police and the other the people who are responsible for law and order, if they take appropriate action, I think there won't be any repetition.